Hey guys, here I have J Park's Nothing on You EP. And I am guessing this is the Chinese edition. I am not 100% sure. I should have a link in the description to exactly what edition it is. Yeah, most likely that's Chinese. So, this edition comes with two posters, which I'll show you after. They're in the back. A little sleeve with this little booklet. It has the track 1 and track 2 on it. And here's the CD. It opens quite awkwardly, actually. From the top view, it opens all like this. So, as I open it, it has pictures of him. Now I'll show the back. Nope. The back only opens this far, because it opens like that. But where is the CD? That's weird. Where is the CD actually? Oh, well, it looks like this book opens up once more. This is some nice paperwork they got going on here. And here's the CD. Has a styrofoam base cone. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's styrofoam. But anyways, that's a nice paper fold they have here. And now onto the posters. Okay, so this is basically the poster you get, and there's nothing on the back. It's just a one-sided poster. But you get two of them. So that was the first one, and this is the second one. And that's about it. Okay, so the height is basically 17 inches. And the width of the poster is basically 2 feet or 24 inches. So there you have it, J Park's single EP.